Hey, I would love to teach. That's good. If not, I'm going to tell you how to teach and work here and make money from this method. And this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna tell you a website which pays you to teach something which you love, as you love any subject or any language which you own. And it's available worldwide. Either you are from Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Indonesia, India, or any country you belong to, you can earn money from this method. So here you can see this. These companies are working here. Entrepreneur, Fabrics, and Nasdaq and Inc. and many more. These companies are very huge and they are getting benefits from this website and they are using this website. You can do teach here and make thousands of money from this method. Now one question can arise in your mind that which subject and which things we can teach here to make more and more money. So here you can see that you can teach here business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, health, medical, economics, engineering, computer science, law, and foreign languages. Right, whenever we click foreign languages, here you can see that which languages you can teach here, that Arabic, Chinese, ESL, foreign languages, and French, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Latin, and Russian and Spanish. Right here, that every language are available here. Or you want to teach business, you can teach here Excel, print media, publishing, real estate, sales, supply chain, and tourism, and lots more. And if you have a PowerPoint skill, you can earn money from this website and teach easily. And there is more and more subjects are available here. When you come upon in this section, that they have featured subject that rocket science, linear algebra, chemicals, engineering, and macroeconomics, and more and more. And here you can upload documents which you learn from your university or your college. You can upload here and make money. So on this method, yes, it's very easy. So this website name is studypool.com. And here's a tip which I want to give you, that if you don't own any skill and if you don't have any skill to teach, you can teach and you can earn thousands of money from this website. For that, you have to learn any skill from YouTube and from other websites if you have budget to learn anything and earn money your whole life. For that, you have to go to Google and type Udacity. Whenever you type Udacity, you will come up on Udacity website that they are teaching you that all skills that you will get and earn money from study pool right there. So you can learn more and more skills from here that are many peoples are using here. So here you can see that Google and Mood and IBM, Microsoft, ITIL, and Path, these huge companies are using this platform to learn programming and other enterprise skills from here and many more. And if you have a little budget, then you have a second website, that is Udemy. Udemy is a cheap website that you can learn single skill from this website. Here, whenever you type anything, that we type English here, these more and more subjects and tutors are available here that will teach you that $18 and $10 and give you a base skill of English, and you can learn many languages from this. And you can use this to study pool and earn more and more money from this website. So now we are going to sign up here. Whenever we sign up, so you would only give them email address, username and password, and boom. Or you can sign up with Google, Facebook and LinkedIn. So now we are going to sign up with Google. So click Google. Whenever you click Google, you have these emails which you have logged in your PC. So here they have given their terms and services. So click here by clicking checkbox and click I agree. And here is our username, that just mindset entrepreneur. So click here school, where you get your skills from. So here I give my school and click continue. Whenever you continue, now they will review your, and you can continue here and give them notes if you have. So done this. Whenever you done this, they will review your site and give you a thing where you can earn more and more money from this. This is a wonderful website where you can teach and support your family by earning thousands of dollars from this, and you can give your 2 to 4 hours to this website and earn thousands of dollars. So if you like this method, you can comment down below which problem you are facing. I will definitely help you to grow up on this website. So that's all for today. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel for the more methods will you earn from my side. So thanks for watching.